Imagine a material so defiant that for 150 years, the greatest minds on Earth thought it was a curse rather than a gift. You're looking at it right now, but you can't see it. It's in the bone holding your neighbor's hip together, the engine screaming at 30,000 feet, and the white paint on your walls. But here is the shocker. If we didn't figure out how to tame this monster, the Cold War might have ended differently, and we would still be trapped on this planet. This is the story of titanium, sleeping giant that refused to be conquered by fire, acid, or human will for over a century. In 1791, a humble clergyman named William Gregor wasn't looking for a revolution. He was just staring at weird black sand in a Cornish stream. He found something that was magnetic but didn't act like iron. He called it maniconite. He had no idea he was holding the backbone of future spacecraft. A few years later, Martin Klaproth, a German chemist, realized this wasn't just sand, it was a titan. He named it after the Greek Titans, the primordial giants of incredible strength. But the name became a cruel irony. For the next 100 years, every scientist who tried to purify it failed. It was the unextractable metal. Why was it so difficult? Most metals play nice with heat. Not titanium. The moment you heat it up to separate it from the rock, it becomes a chemical glutton. It hungrily sucks in oxygen and nitrogen from the air, turning from a supermetal into a useless, brittle piece of charcoal. It literally destroys itself the moment you try to save it. Scientists were frustrated. We had the strongest metal on Earth hidden in plain sight, in common minerals like rutile and ilmenite, but we couldn't touch it. The breakthrough didn't come from a giant laboratory, but from the persistence of William Justin Kroll in the 1940s. He realized that to win, you had to fight in a vacuum by introducing magnesium into a sealed, airless chamber. He finally forced titanium to let go of its rocky prison. What came out wasn't a shiny bar of gold, but a titanium sponge, a gray, porous, alien-looking rock that is the purest form of the element. This process, the Kroll process, is still how we build the modern world today. Today, titanium is still the VIP of the metal world. It's expensive, it's difficult, and it's rare to produce in high quality. But we are on the verge of a new era. New sustainable methods are being tested to bring the cost down. If we succeed, your car could be indestructible. Your phone could be lighter than a credit card. And the journey to Mars would become a reality rather than a dream. Next time you look at a jet engine, a high-end watch, or even just the white paint on a canvas, remember the Titan. It took us 150 years to learn its name and another 50 to learn its secrets. It is the metal that shouldn't have been possible, yet it's the one we can't live without. The giant has awakened, and it's just getting started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.